As always, I don't have my gear with me. I'm setting up for deer season, switching out batteries, SD cards, and putting more feed in our deer feeder for the kids hunting out of the tree house, tree blind. So my uncle gave me the idea of hanging a deer head from a tree and letting the maggots get to it and eat it away. Well, I had the cooler that the deer heads were in during the winter time, and they were frozen, and I never got around to putting them in the freezer or doing anything with them, so they were just rotting away. So what I did is I tied that cooler up and I put it to a tree, and then I just let it sit there all summer long, and I left the vent open, the drain. So what you're about to see is the outcome of letting it sit there for the last 8 months. Holy crud. Alright, so maggots don't eat hair, but they eat everything else. And this is the outcome of 8 months sitting out, allowing everything, all the beetles, all the bugs. I broke it. I'll have to be better with the next one. I'll glue that back on. Allowing everything to get to it. So now all I have to do is dry this out and I can mount it just like that. Man, that is amazing. And I will do this with every single deer that I mount from here on out. Obviously this wouldn't work for big spreads on bucks, but for small racks and does this would work perfect. Set it and forget it. The other option is what I previously said, hanging the deer from a tree in the summer. I'd imagine the maggots would take it in probably 1 to 3 weeks. I'll try that next time. The maggots, they just literally ate everything. The brains are gone. I don't know if you can see in there or not, but literally everything is gone. That is awesome. All right, we got one more. So they just tore off all the hair. That's crazy. So this was the neck. Same thing, it's all matted, the hair's all matted. Looks like there's a few teeth they took out. Be a little bit more careful with this one. This is my 3rd year this year hunting for deer. This is my last 2 kills. Actually, I think it's my only 2. There you are, full intact. I'd say that's a good job. Pretty cool. Again, same thing. All the brains are gone. They just cleaned it. That is awesome. That's pretty cool. They literally took all the hair off and left it like just a big bowl.
That's good. That's so cool.
Huh?
Little hairs here and there.
Yeah.
Ew, don't spray me with carcass juice. Some pretty nice teeth.
Yeah. There it is, guys. All I have left to do now is I'm going to rinse it one more time, let it dry out, and then I'm going to bleach these. Tape off the antlers. Stick this in some bleach water. Bleach them, and then I will mount them on some wood. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe, and hopefully I gave you an idea on how to clean your deer skull.